But did you know that there are actually 3 different models of the Easy Petrol Post Driver? There is the Classic 35, the Classic 50, and the Max 107. So today we're going to look through all 3 of them to make sure you buy the right one. Right, so starting with the Classic 35, which weighs in at 15.6 kilograms and is powered by the beautiful Honda GX35 4-stroke engine. Now that is pushing out 1 kilowatt of power, which provides 1720 beats per minute on top of your post. Now this little post driver is perfect for tree stakes, wooden posts up to 3 inches, your Clip-X, your scaffolding, and also your marquee pegs. Right, so moving up to the Classic 50, which weighs in at 16.3 kilograms and is powered by the GX50 engine, providing 1.47 kilowatts of power, and then pushing through to the post you get 1780 beats per minute. Now, as you're going up a level, you can now take on up to 4-inch wooden posts, 5x3 wooden posts, and also your Clip-X beefies, as well as everything else that the Classic 35 can do. Right, so now onto their biggest machine, which is the Max 107 Contractor Edition. This weighs in at 17.5 kilograms, and the reason for that is because it has a bigger crankcase, a bigger piston, and everything is a lot more heavy duty. It actually runs the same engine as the Classic 50, so it's the GX50 engine with 1.47 kilowatts and pushes through 1780 beats per minute. And for more information on these 3 products, please check out the website petrolpostdriver.com or call in and see your nearest dealer.